But I usually can't get to it because that's usually full of douchebag guys that sit there, they do a workout and like this for 10 minutes, walking around it. Fucking hate that shit. 5 minutes I get, but 10 minutes, like I'm literally running a mile and you're still... Dude, pisses me off. Luckily, nobody was on it today.
What's up? What's up, guys? It's Ryan. Burwood Bushcraft. It's a rainy, misty, foggy weekend. It's like 7:30 at night. It's dark outside, and I'm bored, man. So it's about 41 degrees outside, something like that, in the 40s. I'm gonna suit up. I'm gonna go outside and get the fire started. Cut up some fat wood.
Ignited by a moment. The realization that a future you could only dream of within reach.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put you guys on my chest.
Just candy, honey. It's not a big deal.
Well, this fire's a slow grower, but it's going. At first it was all misty and just foggy out here, just like drizzle, you know. That's how it's been all day, off and on. Got the log cabin style fire going right here. Burnwood Bushcraft, baby, in the backyard. Happy New Year's, everybody, from Burnwood Bushcraft.
And there's a hand, my trusty friend, and
your shit's still burning. Like,
and we'll take a right good will brought for all.